Hey guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had completed use ref hook. So, how overall we had learned almost all the hooks provided in React library. Which of these hooks are use state hook, use effect hook, use context hook, use reducer hook, use callback hook, use memo hook, and use ref hook. As you know already, hook is nothing but just a function that you can invoke within the functional component of React JS. What if it's just a function? Why not you can make your own function? In other ways, I will say like, is it possible to make your own hook? So the answer is yes. You guys can make your own custom hook by using React.js very easily. Why you need custom React? What is custom React hook? A custom hook is basically a JavaScript function whose name start with use. Any kind of function that you will create in JavaScript React by using React library and the name start with use is actually your use is your React hook. A custom hook is also able to call other hook within the function or within the body if required. So why we need custom hook? Because it will allow you to share logic between the component. In case you guys have a complete knowledge or you have understanding of the concept of HOCs or render props. So you can think of it that custom hooks are actually a simple form to implement HOCs and render props with functional components. So in the coming three videos, we will be learning the very basic and simple custom hooks, how we can create. So let's go on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.